Good afternoon, guys. Peter from Sun Insurance. Just wanted to do another quick video here. Just a quick reminder because I just remembered today is the April the 18th, which is a very important day for my customers who are truckers out there. And don't forget, because today is the last day to file your taxes. As you know, every year, if you make $600 and above, you are required by the IRS, and if you live in the United States, to file taxes. I did do a video about how you are supposed to file your taxes, but I thought I'd make this video today to remind you because it's the last day. It's usually on April 15th, but if April 15th was on a Saturday, which is a weekend, and on the 16th was Sunday, which is a weekend, on the 17th was some sort of holiday, so it did count as a business day. So that's why they pushed it ahead to the 18th, and which is Tuesday, which was today. So still you have until midnight if you are watching this video right now, because this time I'm doing these videos about 7:30 Central Standard Time. So if you are in the Eastern Time or Pacific Time, you know what time it is. But the purpose of this video is to remind you that today, if you haven't done that, please contact your accountant to make sure you do that. But for some reasons, if you can't make it today, don't. There's still hope. There are some options which you need to take. We do have extension of time to file your taxes. There are some guidelines you have to look at and to see if you qualify. But overall, the extension is 6 months from the time it's supposed to be filed. So if it was April 15th, you count 6 months, and that puts us in October, as you are filing for, of course, last year, which was 2022. And it's not going to be on the October 15th because the October is also, for some reasons, it's going to fall. Let's see here. I'm trying to look at my calendar in October. October 15th is going to be on a Sunday, and that's why they have pushed it to a Monday, which is October the 16th. So if you are doing an extension, you have to wait until the 6 months, and on October the 16th, then you can go ahead and do the filings. Those are the people who missed the deadline for some reasons. But what you need to know, if you owe the IRS, if you owe them some money, they are not going to give you extension. You still have to pay the money you owe, and they will not be able to give you the extension to that. So that one you can check with your accountant. And if you owe some money, you have to call them and make arrangements so you can have a payment plan in order to comply with the tax laws in this country. I'm not an accountant. I'm just voicing my opinions and trying to help some of my customers out with most of the time, because some have been asking me questions. I remember last month, one of my clients asked me when is the last day to file the taxes, and most people know it's on the 15th, and that's why it's in their mind, but they don't IRS, they don't count holidays and the weekends. It has to be a business working day, and which I've given the reason. That's why today on the 18th is when is the last day. So, but what is important is to make arrangements, talk to your accountant, and send the paperwork. If you know you want to be claiming something as a tax deductible, you want a break on something, so you have to make sure you back up in case of anything. In case you are audited, it's always good practice to have receipts. If, for example, you are a truck driver and you've been using some of the expenses when you are on the road, for example, during the winter, I know it's very cold. Most people they buy some winter gear, which I believe I talked in the other video. If you haven't seen, you can go back and look at it. It's Sun Insurance. And some of the winter gear, the food, some of the expenses if you've been sleeping in the hotel, and make sure you have the receipts. I'm very sure that some of you have encountered this kind of expenses. Yeah, if what I was saying is like if you have ever spent money in a hotel for room and board, keep make sure you keep your receipts because you never know when you're gonna be audited. And then other receipt with the gears, which I've said, and tolls, fuel, and the mechanical breakdowns. Those are the ones which you need to gather together to give it to your accountant for this kind of exercise. So, guys, I think that's all I wanted to say today. But if you have any question regarding this extension, let me know, and I should be able to either organize and do another video or answer you below this video directly and see what's going on. Uh, so if you think this video is helpful to you or anybody outside there you may think may benefit, please do share. And if you are new watching this video, do subscribe. Help our channel grow. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.